Hey guys, it's Areesa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my tips and tricks on how to make the best chocolate covered strawberries. So Valentine's Day is coming up, which means it is the perfect time to start working on your chocolate covered strawberry skills. And so I'm going to teach you guys how to color your chocolate pink and also how to get the perfect drizzle on your strawberries so they look beautiful and professional. So the first thing we need to do is just prep the strawberries. So I've got my beautiful strawberries here and I'm just going to give them a good wash with just some cold water. And now a crucial step here is to dry off each and every single strawberry. And the reason for this is that if there's any water left on the strawberries, it will seize up the chocolate. So we want to make sure they are very dry. Now, since these are for Valentine's Day, I wanted to dip them in pink chocolate, and usually people would use candy melts for that, but I really don't like the taste of those, especially in a recipe that is just two ingredients, strawberries and chocolate. So we're gonna color some white chocolate using some pink gel food dye and coconut oil. So I've got my white chocolate here, and I'm gonna melt that down, and then I'm taking a little bit of gel food coloring, and I'm gonna mix that right in. Obviously, a powdered food coloring or an oil-based color would be preferable here, but I don't have those and they're honestly really hard to find, so you actually can dye chocolate this way. So once that is nice and mixed in, you're gonna see the chocolate start to thicken up. It may even seize up on you depending on the chocolate you're using, and that is where the secret ingredient of coconut oil comes in. You just need a very little bit. You can see I'm not using very much at all, and that's just gonna thin the chocolate back out. So obviously it's totally possible to dye chocolate with gel food coloring, but I just want to say you don't want to try and get a really dark color using this method, because the more gel you add to it, the more the chocolate's going to seize up, and you can only counteract that so much. So keep that in mind. This method is best for lighter colors like this beautiful light pink we made. And now let's just dip our strawberries in the chocolate. So I'm just putting down some parchment paper, and then I'm just shaking the cup to level off the surface of the chocolate. Then you're going to take your strawberry, pull back all the leaves, and just dip straight down. What you want to be paying attention to here is that that top line of chocolate is nice and even all the way around. And then you just shake off the extra and place it on your parchment paper. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the rest of my strawberries. You can see this is so quick and easy to do, and they taste so good. So you can obviously dip all of the strawberries in the pink chocolate, but I like to do half of them in dark chocolate to add some contrast. We're gonna actually wrap these up in a nice gift box and make them look really pretty. So having the color contrast looks really, really nice. So I'm just melting down some dark chocolate, and we're gonna go ahead and dip the rest of the strawberries in that. Now for the fun part, it's time to drizzle our strawberries with some more chocolate. And it's pretty simple to do, but I have a few tricks that's gonna make sure you get the perfect drizzle every time. So I'm just gonna start by making some cones out of parchment paper. So I'm just taking that leftover chocolate I have from dipping and putting it in a parchment cone. And we're just gonna snip a little tiny hole at the end of it. So I'm gonna grab a pink strawberry, and you wanna hold it a little bit upright so you get a more flat, even surface. And then I like to start my drizzle off of the strawberries. So on the parchment paper, get some momentum going and then go ahead and drizzle your strawberry. And I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle the dark chocolate on the rest of the pink strawberries. Now we're just gonna do the exact same thing, but reverse the colors for the dark chocolate strawberries. So I'm filling a new parchment cone with some of that leftover pink chocolate. And we're gonna go ahead and drizzle our dark chocolate strawberries. And we have, once again, a beautiful drizzle. And I thought I'd give you guys another angle so you can really see close up how I'm drizzling these strawberries. And look at these beautiful pink and dark chocolate strawberries. So we have our gorgeous chocolate covered strawberries, and I'm gonna show you guys how to package them up really nicely so you can give them as a gift to someone special. So I just got this pretty pink gift box from the dollar store, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill it with some crinkle paper and just fluff that out so it looks nice and pretty. And I've got 2 sizes of cupcake liners here because my strawberries aren't all the same size, but you can just use whatever you have. And then you're just gonna place the strawberry into the cupcake liner and put it into the box. And I'm gonna go ahead and alternate the pink and dark chocolate strawberries. And look at that beautiful gift. So we have turned these strawberries into a beautiful gift box for someone special using just a couple things from the dollar store. These are obviously not just for Valentine's Day, they're great for anniversaries or birthdays or any special occasion. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.